Be ready. Start. In pursuance of the order of this court dated 17th February 2016, the university has filed a counter affidavit in these proceedings through its registrar. The university has stated that after the entrance examination is conducted, students are at that stage required to deposit only an amount of rupees 500 for registration for the purpose of counseling and document verification. Thereafter, students are furnished with an opportunity to participate in counseling and to lock the college of their own choice. The allotment of institutions is made after this process is completed on the basis of merit and the choice which is indicated by the students. After the institution is allotted to a successful candidate, the candidate is required to confirm his or her seat by depositing an amount of rupees 15,000 as a confirmation fee against which a confirmation slip is generated. The purpose of generating a confirmation slip is to calculate the actual number of vacant seats for the next round of counseling. At this stage, it is open to the candidates either to deposit an amount of rupees 15,000 for confirmation of the seat or to quit the process of counseling so as to leave the seat open for the next round of counseling. The university retains the amount of rupees 15,000 which is non-refundable for the reason that the students must seriously participate in the counseling, otherwise students would lock their choice and obtain a letter of allotment and subsequently not turn up to take admission. If this were to take place, the university will not be in a position to calculate the actual number of vacant seats for the second round of counseling for other students who have not obtained admission in the first round. This amount of rupees 15,000 is adjusted against the annual fee and the university transmits the amount to the college where the students have taken admission. The amount is kept in a separate account of the UP State Entrance Examination. The balance which remains after transmission of the amount to respective colleges is spent on the development of government engineering colleges in the state and not for the use of the university. The government degree colleges charges a low fee and as a result of this, these colleges are unable to generate funds for their work. Moreover, it has been stated that the sanction of the state government is taken for the utilization of the amount. For the current session, it has been stated that 26,589 students deposited an amount of rupees 15,000 each after counseling, out of which, until date, the university has transmitted the amount deposited by 20,365 students to the concerned colleges against the annual fee for 2015-16 where they have taken admission. For 2015-16, the process is going on since the university transmits the amount to the college after a demand being raised. Stop. It has also been stated that these apply only to a situation where a student has take admission in a college and has left the course of study, under which circumstances, guidelines have been laid down. Stop.